Now discuss the element, compound and mixture ICSE class 6 part 2. Dear viewers, I shall show the notes on discussed topic. Immediately after the discussion, it will be shown on the screen. Now choose the correct answer for each of the following. The first question, a substance that contain two or more substance mixed together without reacting chemically is mixture. Next question, the ability of the substance to break into pieces in called metabolity. Next question, which of the following is the property of non-metals? The correct answer option B, they are brittle. Next question, the pieces of pouring out the upper layer of clear liquid without disturbing the sedimentant is called decantation. The correct answer option C. Next question, which of the following methods is used to separate scrap iron from a garbage heap? The correct answer option B, magnetic separation. Next question, sublimation can be used separate a mixture of. The correct answer option A, sand and ammonium chloride. The symbol of silver is Ag. Identify the chemical formula of calcium hydroxide. Correct answer option B, CaOH whole 2, calcium hydroxide. Which of the following the answer of the example is a homogeneous mixture? The correct answer option A here. Next question, a substance that contains two or more substances mixed together is a mixture, not element, not molecule, not compound. Fill in the blanks. A dash is formed when two or more elements combine together chemically. Fill in the blanks, the proper word compound. Next question, the mixtures in which the components are distributed uniformly are called homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture. The correct answer homogeneous mixture. Next question, a substance that contains only one kind of atoms is called an element, a mixture. Correct answer, the proper word in the fill in the blanks, an element. Emulsion is an example of dash, homogeneous, heterogeneous. The correct answer, fill in the blanks, proper word, heterogeneous. Next point, that is the next question, question number 5, fill in the blanks. Compounds are dash, pure, impure substance. The fill in the blanks proper word, pure. Dash, sublimation evaporation is a process of solid directly converting into gases. The fill in the blanks proper word, sublimation. Filtration is used when the substance to be separated are soluble, insoluble in a liquid. The fill in the blanks proper word, insoluble. A dissolved solid can be separated from its solution using the evaporation method. That is the right answer, evaporation. Next question pattern, the right T for true and F for false. The process of evaporation is used to obtain common salt from seawater. 2. That is right answer. Right. Secondly, metalloids have the properties of both metals and non-metal. 2. Third question, the property of a compound is different from the properties of its constituent elements. 2. An alloy is an example of a mixture. T2. The chemical formula represents one molecule of the compound. T for true. Suspension is a mixture of two or more immiscible liquid. F for false. Compounds are impure substance. F for false. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture. T for true. An element is a pure substance which cannot be broken down by physically or chemically methods. T for true. Next question, the chemical symbol of argon is Ar and that of the platinum is Pt. That is the statement is 2, that is T. Second question pattern, choose of odd one out. Natrium, barium, caprium, argon. Argon is the one type of inert gas. Next, Fe, Ag, Cu, Ca. Ag is the odd word, that is the metal but liquid. Next, Cu, MgO, Al, Ag. MgO is the one type of oxide, that is compound. Salt solution, sugar solution, honey, smoke. Smoke is the one type of gas. O, oxygen, C, carbon, Au, gold, Mg, magnesium. Au is the one type of metalloid element. Okay. My dear students or my dear viewers, next part, that is the part 3, only for the question answer based on 2 or 3 element compound and mixture. Please show the note. Viewers, to get the part or link, please show the description box.